Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the logo for any purposes with the ChatGPT guys. And don't worry because this is 100% for free and you can make it easy even from your smartphone guys. How to do that? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this ChatGPT. You can access it from your smartphone or even from the laptop. And here, just to get the spacious view, I am accessing it with my laptop. And after that, you can go to this sidebar or open the sidebar over here. And after that, you can go to this Explore. And you can put your search into the GPTs like this. And you can type the logo creator over here. And since I have tried to create the logo using the another GPT like the logo creator over here, so you can click this logo creator. And this will be the preview or the preface when you would like to continue to create the logo. For example, I will open link in the new tab, or you can simply click start chat or click this generate me a logo featuring ice cream, or create the app icon for the RPG adventure game. And if you type the logo in this searching section, you will also find not only one GPT but a lot of GPT to help you to create the logo guys. For example, like this logo and logo again, logo creator, AI logo generator, and a lot of GPT guys that you can create the logo in here. If I go back to this GPT logo creator, and this is the section to create your or to put your prompt into this section or put your request into this section. And don't worry guys, because having a chat with the ChatGPT it doesn't have to be perfect at first, because the chat with the AI, it's kind of the chat that always built by the time or by every single chat. For example, I will show you like this. This is my history. It's like I would like to create the logo about the brand of product of the producer of the mango, and also the mango would be it's like the high-end product or the high quality product. And you can put the detail into this prompt like this. The logo should feature a peeled mango icon with a smooth gradient of the red, orange, yellow, and green. For example, this is the color details. And also you can put the brand name, for example, Mangiac. It's like the mixture of a mango and maniac, something like that. And also you can put the prompt or the detail like what type of the fonts that you would like to put in this logo, such as the clean, modern and elegant sans serif fonts. And the overall style should be minimalist, for example, or if you would like to make it into the cartoon, you can put it here too. And also you can use the background, like the white or neutral background, to emphasize the color gradient of the logo itself. And also you can put the keyword like this: modern logo, minimalist, premium fruit brands, tropical, elegant design, vector style, and also professional branding. And after that, you can start to continue to generate it. And usually the ChatGPT would like to make sure about the next detail. For example, the first question would be how complex should the logo be on a scale of 1 to 10. For example, if you would like to answer it, then you can type 1 if the result will be clean and simple. However, if you would like to create the logo completely and extremely detailed and complex, then you can type 10, and also you can answer the second question, for example, the color palette. There are 3 options over here that this GPT asked to me. For example, the sunset tropic, and also the golden locks, and also the natural fresh. And you can put the the answer like this: clean and simple. I want to make it clean and simple, and also the sunset tropic. And after that, you can continue to answer it, and it will usually take 1 minute until 5 minutes, because it also depends on the package or maybe the connection that you have now. If you would like to make it faster to generate, so you need to upgrade it into the, let's say, pro version. However, if you would like to keep it for free, then you can simply wait for such of time, and after that you will see the result like this. You see here that there is not any watermark like this. And if you would like to do the revision or do the correction, you can answer this: what do you think? Are you satisfied with this logo? And you can also let this GPT knows about something that you would like to change about this logo, guys. And after that, you can also give the answer edit like this. For example, I have tried to edit the message that the complexity would be simple, however the color palette should be golden lux, for example, and this will be the another answer. And it will take the time to let this GPT to create the new picture, and it will be uploaded into this section like this. Is kind of the history I made before to edit the message or refine the message or refine the answer with this GPT, guys. And if you like this picture, then you can simply download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also you can let us know if this GPT also worked for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.